In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Firefox being slow. First, let's start by restarting Firefox in your computer. Begin by closing Firefox completely. Look for the Firefox window and ensure that it is no longer visible on your screen. This action helps to clear any temporary memory issues that might be slowing down your browser. After that, restart your computer. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu and selecting the Restart option. This step is essential because it refreshes your system and clears out any lingering background processes. Finally, once your computer is back up, open Firefox again. You should notice a difference in speed as this simple reset often resolves many sluggish performance issues. Now that we have Firefox running again, let's move on to updating it. Click on the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines stacked together. This is usually located in the upper right corner of your browser window. Once you click that, navigate to Help. From the Help submenu, select About Firefox. This is a crucial step because outdated software can lead to performance problems and security vulnerabilities. When you select About Firefox, the browser will automatically check for updates. This process usually takes just a few seconds. If an update is available, it will begin downloading immediately. After the update is downloaded, you will need to restart Firefox to apply these changes. This step ensures that your updates are fully integrated into the browser, providing you with the best performance and security enhancements available. You might see a prompt asking you to restart. Simply follow those instructions. Once Firefox opens again, you should feel an improvement in speed and responsiveness. Understanding how these steps impact the performance of Firefox is important. Restarting both Firefox and your computer clears out temporary files and resets processes that might be causing slowdowns. Keeping your browser up to date also means you benefit from the latest features and fixes. From here, you may want to consider checking your extensions and add-ons. Sometimes third-party extensions can interfere with your browser's performance. Take a moment to review any extensions you have installed. If you notice any that you no longer use or recognize, consider disabling or removing them. This will help streamline your browsing experience. After you have managed your extensions, it is also wise to clear your cache. Over time, cached files can accumulate and affect your browser's speed. To do this, navigate back to the menu icon. From there, go to Options and select Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the Cookies and Site Data section. Here, you will find the option to clear data. This step is important because clearing your cache can free up space and improve overall performance. Once you have cleared your cache, take a moment to check your hardware acceleration settings. This feature allows Firefox to use your computer's GPU for rendering tasks, which can significantly speed up performance. To access hardware acceleration, go to the menu, select Options, then scroll down to Performance. Make sure that Use Recommended Performance Settings is checked, and if available, Enable Hardware Acceleration when available should also be selected. Finally, after making all these adjustments, remember to restart Firefox once more. This final step ensures that all changes take effect properly. If you follow these steps, you should experience a noticeable improvement in Firefox's speed and efficiency. By implementing these techniques, you are taking proactive steps to enhance your browsing experience. Regular maintenance like this can save you time and frustration in the long run. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips help you enjoy a faster Firefox.